Good. So we will see how to get rid of YouTube ads. So YouTube ads, it's little frustrating for everyone. So when you try to watch interesting video, it will pop up a ad and it will go lasting to 15 seconds. So you have to wait until it finish and you have to click the complete button. Sorry, skip button. So what if you don't have any ads while you are watching, while you are starting your video? So I will show you how one method which is very easy. So just follow my steps so you can easily get rid of this YouTube ads. So first of all, we will check one YouTube video. Uh, YouTube. So we will check one YouTube video. Let me connect my Wi-Fi. So let's check. So let's check one video here so you can easily understand what I am trying to say. So once you click a video here, okay, I will go. So it will go some, it will pop up some ads like this, one or two ads in the starting, and when you're going through, when you're watching the video, in the middle of the video it will show ads you all have experienced. So what I'm trying to say here is we will put one extension which is supported to Chrome uh, and what else, Firefox, Safari, whatever the browsers. So whatever the browser you are using, it will support the extension. So what is the extension? We will put here Adblocker, just like Adblocker. So once you type the Adblocker, you will check the Adblocker website. So Adblocker Plus, and we are going with this one. So I will mention the link down below. So you can click and you can install the extension on your browser. So once you install the extension browser, it takes time, or else you can go to the web store also, you can find the extension. So just click here Adblocker, just type Adblocker. So once you type the Adblocker, you can find there's a plenty of Adblockers here. So you can, this is the one I am telling you, get this one. So once you install this one to the Chrome, don't worry, this method will work for Windows also, Mac, and any websites you are using with the browser, so it will work without any problem. So this page is getting little bit delay, so that's why I'm going with this. If not, you can go through the Google search engine, so you can type Adblocker and you will able to find the extension. So please install on your PC, sorry, in the Chrome. So once you install into the Chrome, I will show you how it works. So I will close this one. You can try using in your mobile also, in Adblocker for Android, it means APK. So you can use this one. You can use this one for the mobile version. So once you install into the mobile, it will block all the unwanted ads wherever you are using in the apps. So it will block all the ads including in the browser also. So once it installed, just go to the download. Okay, 1 minute. So let me check. So it's already installed now, so into the your extension. So once it will not show here, you can go here and you can ping this into the your bar. So once you click, it will automatically be starting your ad blocking procedure here. So once you get into the YouTube, just refresh, just do one refresh, and we will play the same video. Okay, I will play a random video here. So see, now it will not run any ads on your YouTube. So once you click the skip, it will skip all the ads with the one click, and there will be no ads in the middle of the video. It will block all the, see, you can find here. So on this page, 2 in total ad blocks. So it's a good extension which I am using for months. I didn't get any complaint, any issues from here. So guys, if you know this method right now, just put a like and subscribe and share. Thank you guys, have a good day.